coaching her. So proud of her. And here we go. Can Cacy make history once again?
You know, she told us she was not going to rush it tonight. She was just going to be careful.
And here's the big first test, the log grip. With her size, it's a challenge. But she's passed it. With such great energy from the crowd, all of them behind her.
Oh boy, she's looking good so far.
She is no stranger to the spotlight. She was a Division I gymnast, won Gymnast of the Year at Towson University. She is a competitor. Good body control. Can be tough to build up momentum at just 5 feet, 100 pounds. Ooh, good transition.
Well, you know, the good thing about that is she got low, so she doesn't have to use a lot of energy.
A little stumble there, keeps the feet up, though.
The longer she's on that cargo,
just so amazing.
Makes you wonder.
Look at that, the crowd saying they love her. I think everybody loves Cacy Catanzaro. Here she goes on the ring toss. Great progress.
Looks better than even in qualifying. What'd I tell you?
I love the body control. I love the way she's using the momentum. Trying not to rely on the lats, but using her whole body to get those rings moving. And a great recovery.
Wow, you know how powerful you have to be to recover like that?
Not a lot of wingspan, but Catanzaro, such a determined competitor.
Wow, she is almost there to the third plank. Matt, she's about to do it again.
And those arms hold out.
Are you not entertained? Look at this.
This is just amazing what she is doing here.
Somebody call security because this girl is going to need a bodyguard. Yes! She is a superstar. She told us she was going to do this. Matt, I've seen greatness during my NFL career. In fact, one of my former teammates, Tim Brown, is here. And I've been in awe of people, but I'm really in awe of Cacy.
Will Cacy again make history?
Yes, she will!
She is such a strong competitor. There is no limit to what Cacy Catanzaro can do. I am convinced. Just fantastic effort. But this is where it becomes so difficult, almost all upper body. No woman has ever even attempted this part of the course, much less completed it.
Practice all day.
Cacy Catanzaro rewriting all the history books in American Ninja Warrior. Great mount. Oh, so solid. Look at this. Wow! What? Are you kidding me? Cacy Catanzaro, the first woman ever to attempt the salmon ladder, the first woman ever to complete it, and she is not done.
Okay, this is where her height is a big disadvantage. That is a big gap to reach with her shorter arms.
Well, to be honest, I don't even know if she can reach it. She's gonna have to leap here.
Yeah, this transition is hard.
Oh!
She's hanging on for dear life!
How she has the strength, I do not know, but Catanzaro refuses to quit on this course.
Man, this girl is not human. She's not human.
Well, we are seeing one of the greatest competitors, man or woman, we've ever seen in American Ninja Warrior. She's done it! This incredible run of Cacy Catanzaro continues. Again, making history with every obstacle she completes.
Now remember, the range between the poles, they varied anywhere between 2 feet to over 5 feet, and she's only 5 feet tall, so she only has so much real estate as far as wingspan.
2 of those are going to be so far.
Here she goes on the pole grasper. Such a strong body, that gymnastics training serving her so well. Look at this.
Wow.
You got this. You got this.
She's using every inch of her 5 feet body to make the transition.
She's told us she would complete this course. I wasn't sure if it was just braggadocio, but she really believes it, and she is doing it.
She's gonna jump. She's gonna have to jump. She's gonna Tarzan.
Now look at the transition. This is over 5 feet right now. She's only 5 feet tall.
There's a jump. Look at the lead. There's a jump. She's got it. One more pull to go.
Oh,
My goodness.
oh man.
She's done it. Yes. This has been truly an historic night. She's surpassing every expectation. And now this is it, the spider climb, the final 30 feet. This obstacle's 4 feet wide. She's only 5 feet tall. It's going to be difficult to lock in, but if she conquers this course, she will elevate the standards for female competitors.
The most talented athletes.
Got it. Take your time.
You know, for the viewers at home, understand this is so challenging, so hard, and look what she's doing.
Look at that.
What? Shut the front door.
She's about to do the impossible for a second time. Oh my goodness. Cacy Catanzaro has